Welcome back, welcome back. Alright, today I go check out Fowl Wildlife TV. Welcome to another reaction, watch along, review, video, anything you want, call it with us there. Taking the Jamaican YouTuber them mostly. And just I give a few thoughts about what them I go on with. Fowl Wildlife TV, press play.
Can't run for the bad boy Fowl. Yeah man.
Make sure to follow over the boss channel. Subscribe to the boss channel, turn on the notification bell so when the boss posts a new video, you know what go on. Them man are the Jamaican hunter. One of the best and the greatest. Alright, I could see where I'm going with.
Come back. Yeah man, as you can see my dad the great Holly Bridge, you know. Yeah man. You say crocodile them live most, you know. Yeah man, I say crocodile them live most, my people. Yeah man, so this morning guys.
Why choose a Sleep Number smart bed? Can it keep me warm?
Skippy ads, where go skippy ads?
I'm out here, you know. I not to watch no crocodile, you know. I come for safe, I see the big fat snook them were sharp man, them show me what the other day, you know guys. That if them the boat still, you see me? But I still reach her this morning.
Watch out for crooks, you know, boy. I'm like, well, I'm fine, you hit that. Anyway, I could see where boss I go capture or run alive in the day. Some slingshot spearing.
As yet, showing how I'm going. All of the debris them wash away. Everything wash away from here, so guys.
Hold on, the bridge ain't damaged in the hurricane. And the bridge I did wash away. Or is a different bridge? The boss slingshot spear, you know, man. A bearded fish now.
And then,
Boss have him thing print on a shirt. Yo, boss logo bad, you know. Big up yourself for the fall. Logo bad, my boss.
the,
Logo active.
the mullet them. I don't see one of them guys. Jaja. Walk and search still.
If you have seen a video of a boss, I print shirt too, you know. Print shirt so I can print some shirt for you if you want. Shirt, pullover, hat, long sleeve, female crop top, print pan cup, water bottle. Link up for the business if you mean business, bro.
Fowl. How will you come from Africa?
I say, where they come from Africa?
Come on, me go up, man. Alright, do the right thing, man. Me there try to see if I can shoot two snooker. But me just reach, you know.
Boss go Africa what they are, you know. Boss go Africa will take in big crazy things. Check out the dog page. Check out them Africa video them.
You see me? Yeah, man. Construction, you see me? So when you don't know, so yo, anything when you want to get done, watch out. Every equipment, see number, yeah? Let me clear it up, make you see. You see me? Yeah, man, see number there. So any equipment, anywhere you want to lick down, anywhere you want to well up, anything you want to do. You see me? Any plant, any air compressor, see number, yeah? Yeah, man. And the general, you see me?
Yeah, you know, is it?
Yeah, man, so what them can find on the general?
You know, say, ears can't piece to the door. Can't piece district ESP or Clarendon.
Yeah.
You see me, we have welding plant, air compressor, light plant, backhoe, and whole heap more other things. You see it? Yeah, man, that's how we are doing things. You see me? Rastafari live and reigns.
That is it.
That is it.
Yeah, man, them general people, them never pass me, them never left me out, never. You see me? Yeah, man, so I have to show me appreciation and show me respect. So, as a general say, anything like them don't want to get done, reasonable to see number there, when you get the number, so you just call it and link up the general people. You see me? And one love, I love what saying, you see me? Yeah, man, so I'm going to continue with the fishing and now, although I don't say nothing come up yet, but I must get something. You see me? That is it. You see me as a father? Ah. People wanna watch me. Left all the way on the bridge and find myself. I go down in a crocodile infested water.
Careful, you know. Careful. Man, you don't see your back, you know.
Yeah. Down there, some are going to people. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm showing you properly. Yeah, man. So down here, some I go. See water there already, you know, people. Remember, I say, yes, sir, Ali Bridge, you know, home of the crocodile. Yeah. So majority of the crocodile, them guys, with them.
People, make sure they go follow them youth, you know. So them man I go through, they give them some content to watch, some entertainment, and I show them some knowledge. Support the youth, them people, go and go subscribe. Make sure you watch the ads, don't be like me and skip the ads. Make sure you watch the ads, subscribe. Make sure you link up with them and head up on the ground too. Show them some love and appreciation. Let's go.
Catch different places. Then bring them, come let them go in this water right here. Right? So there's a lot of big crocodile in it, guys. So right now you see me walk, I go down to the bank. Me have to be cautious and be careful, you see me? And I look. Because them would underneath the bank, them right here, something in the guys. Guys, the reason why I come down here, so I come take a look. Because this tree recently dropped down in the water. Yeah, man, this tree here recently fall down in the water, guys. Yeah. So, the bridge just right up there.
The tree is supposed to form up some nice little shelter. Nice shelter and nice little feeding ground for the fish them, you know. Well, I don't know much about the fish thing, but I just assume say the fish them would I like under this. So somebody will know about the fish thing. Tell me if I'm right or if I'm not right.
So I'm going to put the phone in my pocket and walk. Alright, people.
Alright, the boss I go out there, you know. Now tell me say I out on the tree boss I go. See bag right there, so. Wonder how far out my plan to go. Now tell me say I out that the boss I go. Make us see what I go on.
Kinda get hungry now, you know. I'm not going.
Boss say hungry. Boss I get hungry. Can't wait till you're hungry for your own food in my G. You have to start on the food before you're hungry.
I'm gonna wait
Anyway, make us see what I go
to
on.
see a big fish anymore. I'm just gonna take what I see. That's how I can have a healthy breakfast in the morning. You see me? So guys, if I see mullet, I'm gonna take mullet. If I see perch, I'm gonna take perch. If I see stone bass, I'm gonna take stone bass. So wanna just stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna get breakfast.
Want to hunt, you know. So anything we see we can eat, we go hunt it. Let's go.
No, it's a fowl, you know. A God bless, you know, ever get when we go hunt, you know. You see me? Yeah, man, we just pray and then go do what we have to do. You see me? And trust in our Lord. Yeah, man. And I say, I want to big up Oliver Unfiltered J, no, man. Big up yourself, you know, Father Oliver. You see me? Yeah, man. Blessed love, man. And big up to all of my fans, them, viewers and subscribers. Bless up on yourself, man. Friends and family, everybody, one love, man. You see me? Yeah, man. Due to my name a post from the other day, guys, me get an injury in my back, guys. You see me? So, right now, you see me here, my back hurt me right now. You see me, but
I know. Hope you back heal up, my G. Hope you heal up and fully active and outside soon. Just go and do your right thing and make sure you get the care and attention it need, car. I don't know, we love the video them. And we love what you do, so. Want you stay fit and healthy out there. Just do the right thing.
me still a shoot through. You see me? Yeah, man. A long time I have a problem. I did injure myself when I was younger. Japan lick my back one way, you know? Yeah, but I find out say, as me I get older now, it kinda affect me. You see me? So, I have to just be careful what I do, you know, people. You see me? Yeah, man. So, I go look my breakfast.
My husband never looked back at his old suit pants.
We apologize in advance now, but we're going to skip that. We're going to skip that. We just do a quick review, so. Skip all that. Line him up. Line him up, my boss. Line him up. John, no, look like the one they get with.
Guys, the mullet a swift body now. I just shoot one just now off camera. But guys, it looked like he didn't get a good placement shot. So he rip off. So that was my breakfast and my breakfast gone. So guys, I have to try work extra hard right now just to find something for my breakfast. Only thing I am seeing right now is the mullet them and them move very fast, guys. You have to place a shot right. You see me? So I'll go and wait and see if I can get one, guys. So just bear with me.
Yeah, soon find something. Soon find something for the belly, my G. Line him up. Hui. Got him. Carry me. That's the way you have that. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Not too big at them, not too small, but can put between two slices of bread.
Guys, I don't know. I wanna shoot me see him just pop up in front of me so fast. Like God say, here's one foul. Here's one. Guys, him pop up in front of me so fast, me just have to just leg of the spear pan him. But hey, my size that yeah, Jado me Jaja no. Watch now. The day not done it, and more still a come. Dead! Dead mullet! Dead
Hold them.
mullet! Oh, wait, he's stuck. Ah.
Look at that one they get to.
Look at that! Look at that! No! That is...
Dead fish. Dead fish pan line. Just spear go right through him, no boy. You have two fish sandwich now, my boy. Or in the kitchen off camera. You have 3 fish sandwich now, my boy. Nah,
Is
go
it
on
that
back.
me I talk about? Yeah. I say, guys, me wait and me wait and me wait and me wait. Wait and wait, guys. Till me finally knock him. Poor got you. Yeah. Boy, sorry for you. I only 2 me catch and about 5 hours me there. About 5 hours me there.
Jaja. About 5 hours for 2 fish. Boy, I could have worse still, my boy. I could have did every 10 hours and no fish, but give her thanks.
Yeah, and a 2 me catch.
That's who you catch. What the one them big one?
They not run, man. Alright, that is it. Me can't stop it now, no. Me get it too now, guys. But I don't know, me never give up. More better. You see me? Yeah. Ja.
Two always better than none, my boy. And two still better than one.
Dude.
Got him.
Yeah, man.
Taxi man just in time to see what I go on. Taxi man want know what I go on, you know. Nobody no love people business like taxi man, you know. You see that size, yeah.
Joker, the camera.
Alright,
Jesus.
that one ain't no bad. Can't put between 2 slices of bread, my boy. Boss a jump. Boss a jump for joy. What you mean? 3 better than 2, you know. And 3 always better than none.
Guys, every time I walk, you have to catch it. 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 You have knock up a hole on my line. You have to catch it. You have to catch it. Jaja no. Jan. Dead! Big old African bird! Dead!
One more. Boss reach flow state and now. Boss up on a roll. What you mean, man? Boss gone up bridge side. You can see size of that one now.
Yeah! One more! One more, people!
John, that one a decent, you know. One a decent. One a look like you can share for 2 somebody. One a look like you can feed 2 adult. Alright. That for this video. I'm gonna stop it right there. If you wanna watch the full video, make sure you go over to Fowl Wildlife TV. Boss a jump. See the boss channel there. Fowl Wildlife TV. That is it. See some slingshot spear fishing. See some hunting. A long time I don't see him hunt no wild goat and them thing there, you know. Or the wild hog them. See all type of hunting, bird shooting, cooking, all kind of things going over there. Jump over the boss channel, subscribe, and support the boss thing. That is it for this one. Big up on yourself.